Obtained through the steam distillation of the leaves of sage flowers, sage essential oil has antibacterial and antiviral properties, which improve disorders linked to the menstrual cycle and menopause. It also has beneficial effects on blood circulation, being useful in beauty treatments. In the past, people believed that drinking sage tea could alleviate sore throats, clean the mind and sight, and help people understand what was happening around them or see what would happen in the future. Curious, isn't it? Salvia sclaria is largely cultivated for essential oil production since it has less thujone, being less toxic. There are 2 sage essential oils that can be found, one made from Salvia sclaria, which is safer than the oil made from common sage, also known as Salvia officinalis. Salvia sclaria is used in aromatherapy, if that's how you intend to use it. In this case, it can be used to relieve stress and tension. The oil is also useful in cases of asthma, being a good antispasmodic and a powerful muscle relaxant. This essential oil is also recommended for treating disorders related to the menstrual cycle and menopause, such as premenstrual syndrome, pains during the cycle, and hot flashes. Besides that, Clary sage essential oil is also recommended for circulatory issues and hemorrhoids. To get all these benefits, just add a drop of sage essential oil in a tablespoon of almond oil and use this mixture in cases of hemorrhoids or chilblains. You can also massage your belly to stimulate blood circulation and soothe the disorders related to the menstrual cycle. Interesting, right? Did you know that sage essential oil is largely used in cosmetics for oily skin and oily hair? If that's your case, add a drop of sage essential oil to green clay for facial masks. Add a drop of sage oil in a teaspoon of aloe vera gel for an anti-oiliness treatment for both hair and skin. Oh, this oil is also great to reduce perspiration. Because of its antibacterial properties, it is a good addition to your homemade deodorant recipes. And the best of all is that Salvia sclaria essential oil doesn't have any specific contraindications, but its use should be avoided during pregnancy and by small children. Besides that, people allergic to one or more components of its essence, and people with mammary mastitis or hormonal cancers should also avoid using it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.